Welcome, in front of me is a Denver SDQ, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. Now to get started, let's open up settings, and from here scroll all the way down to system, then reset options and choose erase all data factory reset. It will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from the device, so if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have done it or you don't care, tap on reset phone. If you have some kind of protection, you will need to confirm it. As you can see, there's a pattern for me. And then tap on erase everything and the process will begin. Now this will take about a couple minutes, and once it's finished, we will be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.